everybody, today I'm going to be talking about density. You might ask yourself, what is heavier? Is it wood or is it steel? The answer is wood. Wood is a lot more heavier than steel, as you can see in the pictures. We can use a number to describe how heavy something is for its size. Density is the mass per unit of volume. To calculate density, we need to know the object's mass and the object's volume, because density equals mass divided by volume.
Measuring the density of a rectangular solid block. For this you will be needing a top pan balance, a rectangular block, and a ruler. First, we will find the mass by placing the block on the balance, and then find the volume by multiplying length, width, and height together, and then divide mass by volume to get the density.
When a piece of wood is placed in water, the wood floats. This is due to difference in the densities of the wood and water. When two substances such as a solid and a liquid or liquid and a liquid are put together, the less dense substance floats above the denser substance.
Measuring the density of an irregularly shaped solid. First, the mass of the pebble is found by placing the pebble on a top pan balance. Then, the volume is found by filling the cylinder half. After that, then the volume is read. After that, the pebble is carefully lowered in the cylinder. Then, the pebble is immersed completely into the water, and then the volume of the water is read again. The volume of the pebble is found by subtracting the first reading with the second. Then, the density of the pebble is found by dividing the mass of the pebble by its volume.
Density of gases.
So, how do we actually measure the density of a gas? An easy way to visualize gas density is to observe its behavior compared to air. Think of helium-filled balloons. These balloons rise because they are less dense than the surrounding air. This density is so much lower that it causes the rubber balloon instinct to float in the air. While observing the floating balloon tells us that helium is less dense than air. It doesn't give us a quantitative measure of what the density of helium actually is. To clarify, here is an example. If we know the mass of the gas and the volume, we can easily calculate density. Let's assume we have a gas with a mass of 500 grams in a volume of 2 meters cubed. Dividing 500 by 2 will give you a density of 250 grams meter cubed.
Experiment time.
Created using Powtoon.